Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on this on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And once you open the watch face menu, you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right, and then you can tap on the watch face to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces by tapping on the settings icon under them, and then you can change, for example, the widgets. So you can tap on one and change it to something. And once you're done, you can press the side button to apply the changes. Another way to change the watch face is to do it through settings. So you can press the side button on the home screen to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. And in settings, you can find the option called watch face. Oh, my bad, watch face right here. Tap on it, and here tap on watch face again. It will open the watch face menu, find the watch face you like, tap on it to select it and apply it. And the last way to change the watch face is to do it through the phone application. So basically, if your watch is paired with a phone, you can open the HUAWEI Health application on that phone and use it to change the watch face. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with your watch, open the HUAWEI Health application. In the app, tap on devices, select your HUAWEI Watch Fit from the list of devices, and here you should see the watch faces category. If you don't see this category, it could be because when you install the HUAWEI Health application for the first time, you have the option to select the region you reside in, and maybe you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. You could try to reinstall the app and select a different region. For example, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working fine. So you could try that. And once you see the watch faces category, tap on more, tap on mine right here, and it will open the list of watch faces installed on your watch. You can tap on them to select them, and then you can tap on set as default to apply them. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.